water resource critical for irrigation are under great stress as populous cities and states and countries require and withdraw more water from rivers, lakes, and aquifer every year. A major threat to maintaining future water supplies is the continuing overuse of surface and groundwater resources. Fossil energy is another prime resource used for food production. Nearly 80% of the world fossil energy is being used by the developed countries. The intensive farming technologies of the developed countries used massive amounts of fossil energy for fertilizer, pesticides, irrigation, and for machines as a substitute for human labor. In developing countries, fossil energy has been used primarily for fertilizer and irrigation to help maintain yields rather than to reduce human labor inputs because fossil energy is finite resource. Its depletion accelerates as population needs for food and service escalate. Thus, cost of fuel increase everywhere. Certainly, improved technology will assist in more effective management and use of resources, but it cannot produce an unlimited flow of those vital natural resources that are the raw material for sustained agriculture production. For instance, fertilizer and hence the fertility of eroded soils, but humans cannot make topsoil. Indeed, fertilizer made from finite fossil fuels are presently being used to compensate for eroded topsoil. A productive and sustainable agriculture system depends on maintaining the integrity of biodiversity. Strategies for the future must be based on the conservation and careful management of land, water, energy, and biological resources needed for food production. Yet, none of these measures will be sufficient to ensure adequate food supplies for the future generation unless the growth in the human population is simultaneously curtailed. Several studies have confirmed that the maintain a relatively high standard of living throughout the world. The optimum world population should be less than 2 billion. Therefore, from now until an optimum population is achieved, strategies for the conservation of land, water, energy, and biological resources are to be implement, implemented effectively. Maintaining a sound and productive environment all over the world is essential. So this is to the topic. I hope you like, must subscribe, must like, share with your friends. See you and in future.